crazy, but I think I figured it out. Life. That's right. Me, Rod Green, right here in this little office den, I figured life out, and I want to share with you how you can figure your life out too. Maybe you're just like me, right? Maybe you're trapped in a dead-end job and you don't know how to get out, or maybe you just look not working at all, and maybe you take a leap to another job. You want to make the right decision. Well, if you're anything like me, there's kind of that unknown in between where you are now and where you want to go. And going from here to here is the toughest part, right? How do you actually make that leap? How do you actually get out of your current situation where you're in and into a better, more fulfilling situation? Because, you know, the old saying, the grass is greener always on the other side. Well, I want the grass to be green for you guys. I want it to be flourishing with green all around you, because when you have more money, you have more freedom. But I want to help you make the right decision before you get there. In my 20s and 30s, I pretty much went from job to job to job. I went to a job because it had better hours. I went to a job because of course, it paid me more money. I went to a job because it was closer. It was a closer drive. But no matter where I went, whether it was a shorter drive, whether it be it paid me more money, I was truly never happy. I always had this feeling in my gut, this stress, the strain just bubbling up every single day. I remember getting up one morning, looking at myself in the mirror, and I was like, what in the world am I doing? Is this my life? Is this what is going to be every single day? Get up, wash up, dress, go to work, grind. Come home, eat, go to bed, get up, wash up, go to work, grind. And this cycle kept going on and on and on. That is what I was facing for the rest of my life, and it scared me. And I realized that no matter how you slice it, a job is a job. Is a job a job. Whether you're making minimum wage or you're making $100,000 a year, you're still working for somebody else. You are an employee. Do as you're told or you're fired. You're working for a paycheck. Every single position that I came across, I knew that deep down inside, this was not for me. Deep down inside, I was truly miserable, truly depressed, and I was scared of what my life was going to become 10 years or 20 years down the road, and it scared the crap out of me. So fast forward about a year or two later, I'm working for this company that started withdrawing the amount of time we were allowed to work, meaning that we would work a week and then we'll be off a week. Mind you, we're only working 4 days out of a week, which equal to 32 hours a week. So we'd work a week, we'll be off a week. It was hard to keep up with paying bills this way. This went on for about 9 months. So I went online looking for a remote job that I could work from home to kind of make ends meet. I searched and searched, and luckily one night I came across a YouTube video of this person who caught my attention by explaining step by step how he made $20,000 in a month as an affiliate marketer. Well, that intrigued me to want to learn more about what exactly is affiliate marketing. So therefore, I subscribed to his channel. I began learning more and more how that you don't have to make product or own the product or customer service anyone. All affiliate marketing does is simply connect people who are in need of or want something that will help them in whatever it is that they need help in, whether it be health and wellness, finance, cooking, gardening, or even dog training. Affiliate marketers is simply a connector to the person who is looking to solve a solution and the actual product. And when they buy, we earn what we call an affiliate commission. Honestly, if I could do this, then anybody can. I mean, literally anybody can do this. You just want to be honest with yourself. Otherwise, you will never get off the hamster wheel. You will constantly be going around and around and around. Let me share with you guys some questions here that I think are going to really help you make that decision. The first question you have to ask yourself is, and I'm not going to use the word passion, but let's use the word skills and hobbies, because I know passion can be a tough one. But you really need to think about what are the things that make you happy outside of your work, your regular work, or your regular routine. What kind of things do you enjoy doing? Is it cooking? Is it playing an instrument? Is it being a good parent? Maybe you like to draw. Maybe you like to paint. Maybe you're a really good golfer. Jot down the 10 things that you really enjoy. Write down a list of all the things that people come to you for outside of your regular job. So let's say you're an accountant, right? Well, obviously you're an accountant. You're good with numbers and things like that. But other than being an accountant, what do your friends and family come to you for? Do they come to you and say, hey, can you share with me how to make that wonderful, delicious dish you made, right? Maybe you're a great cook, or they come to you and say, hey, can you teach me how to build a beautiful bench from reclaimed wood? Maybe you're a carpenter. Maybe you have a passion for building furniture. These are skills, guys. These are skills that you can use to build a business, okay? So you got to start thinking outside the box. I hope this goes without saying, but you have to have goals in life, right? Are you truly in the position you want with your health, goals, careers, and family goals? Because if you're not, you need to start thinking about how you're going to get those. And think about the people that you admire most and what are their best qualities. Why do you respect them and what do they do? What can you learn from them and apply it to your own life? Are they getting up an hour early every day exercising? Then maybe you should start doing that. Do they get up and meditate? Do they have a special diet? And then next up, you have to think about what you don't like. What don't you like? For me, I knew that I didn't like driving every day. I knew that I didn't like working construction. Also, if I'm being completely honest, I didn't really like someone telling me what to do every day. And that's okay. So you need to write these things down. And then last up, you need to really have a heart to heart and think about how hard am I willing to work for myself instead of others and what I truly want in life. Because until you're ready to work hard for yourself, you will never have your ideal life. You will never have the ideal salary or income or make the money that you want to make. See, I was willing to look at all of these and truly evaluate my life and be honest with myself. It took me till my 40s to finally get it all complete, to figure it all out. And now I'm happier than I've ever been. Financially, I have what I need. I have my family, which is something that I wanted. I have the freedom to work when I want, where I want, and you can have all these things too. So I love to hear from you guys. Please comment below. Let me know what you think. Also, if you want to know my #1 recommendation of how I make money online, then check out the link in the description below this video. Thank you so much. If you enjoyed this, subscribe and like. Yeah, like me. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video.